Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I am starting series of 10 video to automate Outlook using Power Automate. This is my first video of this series. In this video we will see how to send email using Power Automate. And my next upcoming video is how to send bulk email using same template. My third upcoming video will be on how to send bulk email using dynamic template or using variable data. Before go ahead, it is request to all of you. If you like the content of this video, please hit the like. One like is a big support for our YouTube channel and subscribe my channel for more video. Let's start the video. Here you can see I have created a workflow. First action I'm taking set variable. This variable I will use for email ID. So I give the name as a email ID. Here I paste my email ID. Click on save. Again I'm taking set variable action for subject line. Here I give the subject line as a test and dash also. Uh, Click on save. Again I'm taking set variable action for body. Variable name give the as a body and click on save. Now here I'm using Outlook. Launch Outlook. Here click on save. I want current date. So for that I'm using get current date action. This one. Take and drag and drop here. You can see variable produce as a current date time. Okay, click on save. And I want send email. This one action take and drag and drop here. Here I'm using that variable email variable. This one. In the I'm sending to myself. So I'm taking this variable for subject line. I take a subject line variable. I want current date with this subject line also. So I'm using here this variable also. And for body, I'm using body variable here. Click on save and now run and see. So launch Outlook. Here you can see. Let's see the output. Here you can see current date and time in the subject line, and this is the our body. It is basic and simple how to send email using Outlook. Okay, hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more video. I will see you in the next video of this series. Till then, happy learning.